If you love iced coffee, host weekend get-togethers, or just hate running out to buy bags of ice, a reliable countertop ice maker is a game changer. This Antarctic Star portable ice maker is a highly popular option designed specifically for speed, convenience, and tight spaces. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen counter, outfitting an RV, or planning a road trip, this compact machine eliminates the waiting game of a traditional freezer trays. Right out of the box, the Antarctic Star positions itself as a sleek modern appliance. Wrapping a high-capacity ice machine in a stainless steel finish means it doesn't just look clean on a modern kitchen counter, it is also rugged enough to handle the scuffs of travel, RV environments, or backyard tailgates. What stands out immediately is its small footprint. It is designed to tuck under standard kitchen upper cabinets or sit snugly on an RV console table without eating up all your workspace. The top features a clear viewing window so you can check on your ice levels without opening the lid and letting cold air escape, alongside a straightforward, minimalist control panel. Speaking of that control panel, there's 3 buttons. On and off button, which is self-explanatory, but it also serves another purpose. If you hold the button for a few seconds, it's gonna enter the self-cleaning mode. Next to that, we have select buttons for choosing small or large ice. One of the cool features is the blue light. I do want to mention it looks much better in person than on the video. Before we start making ice, let's do a little bit of maintenance. The biggest headache with countertop appliances is mold and hard water buildup. The Antarctic Star handles this with a dedicated automatic cleaning cycle. You simply add water, you hold down that on and off button for a few seconds, and the machine runs around 20-25 minutes internal flush to clean out the pump and pipes. A convenient bottom drain plug makes it very easy to empty out the remaining water when you're done. Now this ice maker has something pretty unique. It has 2 water tanks. The inner 0.8 liter, which is right below the ice tray, and then the one on top, which is 1.2 liters. The ice tray does have some holes. If you forget to remove the ice, it's gonna melt into that inner tank and be reused to make new fresh ice. Where this machine actually earns its keep is its speed and utility. If you ever hosted a gathering and realized too late that you forgot to buy a bag of ice, you know the panic. This machine is built to solve that quickly. The headline feature is true to its form. It drops its first batch of 8 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just about 6 minutes. While a single batch is 8 cubes, if you leave it running continuously, it can churn out roughly 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period. For context, that is more than enough to keep a small party or family road trip well supplied. Instead of square blocks, this machine utilizes standard metal prongs to freeze bullet-shaped ice with a hollow center. The hollow center increases the surface area of the ice, meaning it chills your drink significantly faster than a solid cube. It also tends to be slightly softer and chewable, which is a major plus for fans of pellet or crush ice, though it will melt slightly faster in a glass than a massive solid cube. So ultimately, the Antarctic Star portable ice maker lands as a highly reliable, set-it-and-forget-it appliance. It bridges the gap between bulky, expensive commercial ice machines and the painfully slow process of traditional freezer trays. This ice maker is a straightforward piece of tech that focuses on doing one job incredibly fast, keeping itself clean while doing it and looking sharp when you counter.